Emergency treatment in burns. A burn is tissue damage from contact with flames, very hot water, scalding, corrosive chemicals, electricity, radiation, including sunburn. An injury to skin is called a burn if it occurs due to the following reasons: electric current, ड्राई हीट, कोरोसिव केमिकल्स, लाइटनिंग। अब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के बारे में बताएं तो व्हेन अ पर्सन टचेज एन इलेक्ट्रिक कंडक्टर ही और सी में गेट बर्न्ट ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। ड्राई हीट की बात करें, फायर, सन और पीस ऑफ हॉट मेटल्स में कॉज ड्राई बर्न। कोरोसिव केमिकल्स, एसिड्स और एल्कलीज में कॉज केमिकल बर्न्स। लाइटनिंग, it may cause a cutaneous condition of burns. The first step is in treating a burn injury is determining whether the burn is a minor or major one. Major burn की बात करें, major burn can be recognized by 4 primary characteristics: deep, result in dry, leathery skin, larger than 3 inches in diameter or cover the face, hands, feet, buttocks, groin or a major joint, having patches of black, brown or white. Minor burn can be recognized by following characteristics: less than 3 inches in diameter, surface redness like sunburn, skin blistering, pain. सिम्टम्स अगर इसमें देखें हम, सिम्टम्स इसी में मेजर और माइनर बर्न के बाद से सिम्टम्स की बात कर लेते हैं। तो जो सिम्टम्स हैं, बर्न्स ऑफ ऑल टाइप रिजल्ट इन द फॉलोइंग सिम्टम्स। दोनों के सिम्टम्स में अगर देखें तो फीवर, नंबनेस, रैपिड पल्स, हेडेक, शॉक, चार्ड स्किन, ब्लूइश लिप्स एंड फिंगर नेल्स, माइल्ड पेन, वीकनेस, पेल एंड क्लेमी स्किन, faintness, red skin and swelling. Severity of burns. Severity of burns depends on their size, location and depth. Burns on neck, hands, face, genital and feet, or burns which have spread over large body parts, or those combined with other injuries are more severe burns. Severe burns may also lead to infections, pain and shock. If the victim are very young or old, they suffer from more serious burns. अब टाइप्स ऑफ बर्न्स देखते हैं या फिर डिग्री ऑफ बर्न्स देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट डिग्री, इट कॉजेज मिनिमल स्किन डैमेज. They are also called superficial burns because they affect the outermost layer of skin. Severity इसमें least severe and superficial. Redness और discoloration, pain and mild swelling. Symptoms में है redness, minor inflammation और swelling, pain, dry peeling skin. इसमें कॉजेज देखते हैं। फर्स्ट एड का कॉज देख लें अगर, तो फर्स्ट एड कह रहा है, फर्स्ट डिग्री बर्न का कॉज देखें तो ओवर एक्सपोजर टू द सन। फर्स्ट एड में देखें तो इट इंक्लूड्स सोकिंग द वुंड इन कूल वाटर फॉर 5 minutes और लॉन्गर, टेकिंग एसिटामिनोफेन, आइबुप्रोफेन, पैरासिटामोल फॉर पेन रिलीफ, अप्लाइंग लाइडोकेन एनेस्थेटिक। लाइडोकेन एक एनेस्थेटिक है, लोकल एनेस्थेटिक है, विद एलोवेरा जेल और क्रीम टू सूद द स्किन, यूजिंग एन एंटीबायोटिक ऑइंटमेंट एंड लूज गेज टू प्रोटेक्ट द अफेक्टेड एरिया. डोंट यूज आइस, may make the damage worse. Cool running water, flushing, moist dressing and loose bandages इसमें यूज करते हैं. अब बात करेंगे सेकेंड डिग्री की. सेकेंड डिग्री बर्न में These are more serious because the damage extends beyond the top layer of skin. Severity: more severe and deeper. This type of burn causes the skin to blister and become extremely red and sore. सिम्टम्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में देखें तो रेड और मॉटल्ड have blisters, loss of fluids through the damaged skin and most painful. Causes में nerve endings remain intact and severe tissues damage. Treatment देखें due to delicate nature of these wounds, keeping the area clean and bandaging it properly is required to prevent infections. The bandage should be dry dressings and loose bandages, and avoid water because it may increase the shock risk. Third degree burns, most severe and deepest. Third degree burn are most severe. They cause the most damage, extending through every layer of skin. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और सिम्टम्स में है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कॉज द सिम्टम्स वेरी में इंक्लूड्स वाइट और चैड extended through all skin layers and severe pain or no pain at all if the nerve endings are destroyed, waxy or and white color, char, dark brown color, raised and leathery texture, blisters that do not develop. कॉजेज हैं थर्ड डिग्री बर्न्स के कॉजेज हैं कॉज है डिस्ट्रॉयड नर्व एंडिंग्स. इसके ट्रीटमेंट में सेम एज फॉर सेकेंड डिग्री जैसे सेकेंड डिग्री में यूज कर रहे थे ड्यू टू द डेलिकेट नेचर ऑफ वुंड कीपिंग द एरिया क्लीन एंड बैंडेजिंग इट प्रॉपरली इज रिक्वायर्ड टू प्रिवेंट इन्फेक्शन. द बैंडेज शुड बी ड्राई. इसका ट्रीटमेंट भी वही है. अब प्रोग्नोसिस ऑफ बर्न्स की बात कर लें. प्रोग्नोसिस ऑफ बर्न्स. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बर्न कैन बी डायग्नोस्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स. डायग्नोसिस कैसे करते हैं बर्न्स की? परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉडी सरफेस एरिया बर्न, डिग्री ऑफ द बर्न, इफेक्ट ऑन क्रिटिकल बॉडी पार्ट्स, any other injuries or complications, for example infection, provision of medical treatment. Minor burns heal in around 5 to 10 days and do not leave any scars. Moderate burns heal in 10 to 14 days and may leave scars, while major burns heal in more than 15 days and leave significant scars. Determining the prognosis of burns is aided by the following factors. Extent of burns. Minor burns cover less than 15% of total body surface area and cause minimum mortality. About 50% mortality is observed in burns covering 50% of body surface area. 90% mortality is observed in burns covering 75% of total body surface area, and 100% mortality is observed in burns covering 90% of total body surface area. Depth of burns. Healing of skin depends on the extent of skin damaged by burns. Deeper damage to the body tissues will lead to slow healing and increased chances of bacterial infections at the burnt area. About 20% of burn mortality is observed due to the infection at the burn site. Location of burn. The prognosis of burns is also affected by the location of burn. Burns on the face and neck region damage the upper respiratory tract, due to which the infection at the burn site. Location of burn: damage to the upper respiratory tract, due to which 42% of deaths occur. अब बर्न का फर्स्ट एड बात करते हैं. बर्न की फर्स्ट एड में ये तो डिग्रीज थी सारी, प्रोग्नोसिस भी हो गई. अब देखेंगे फर्स्ट एड बर्न का. फर्स्ट एड एंड ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ बर्न्स. द emergency treatment provided to burn victim depends on the severity of burns. Minor burn, we should follow the steps mentioned below. In case of unbroken skin, the burnt side should be washed with cool water or soaked in a cool water bath, not ice water, for at least 5 minutes. Pain can be reduced by applying a clean, cold and wet towel on the burn site. The victim should be kept calm and reassured. After washing, the burnt side should be covered with a sterile dry bandage or clean dressing. No friction and pressure should be applied on the burnt side. Over-the-counter drugs, for example ibuprofen, acetaminophen, can be given to relieve the pain and swelling. Aspirin should be avoided to children below 12 years of age. Moisturizing lotion can also be applied once the skin has cooled. The person should be immunized with tetanus toxoid. Minor burns usually do not require any more treatment, but burns of second degree or which have spread in more than 2 to 3 inches in diameter, or which are located on the face, hands, groin, feet, buttocks or major joints should be treated as major burns. Major burns. We should follow the steps mentioned below. If a person is on fire, he or she is asked to stop, drop and roll. The victim should be wrapped in thick material like a wool or cotton coat, rug or blanket to extinguish the flames. Water should be poured on the victim. The victim should be kept away from smoldering material. The burnt clothing stuck to the victim's skin should not be removed. The victim's breathing should be monitored. If he or she has stopped breathing or if the airway is blocked, it should be opened. Rescue breathing and CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, should be earned out. The burnt area should be covered with a clean cloth or dry sterile bandage. Larger burnt area should be covered with a linen sheet. Any ointment should not be applied, and blisters should not be touched. Burnt fingers or toes should be separated with dry, non-adhesive and sterile dressing. The burnt body parts should be elevated above the heart level. No friction and pressure should be applied to the burnt side. Preventive measures should be taken to avoid shock. The victim should be laid flat with feet elevated at about 12 inches. Covered with a coat or blanket. The victim should not be placed in shock position in case of head, back, neck or leg injury, or in case he or she feel uncomfortable. The vital sign of victim, breathing rate, pulse rate and blood pressure should be continuously monitored till the arrival of any medical हेल्प।